So we'll start our class with welcome song. ठीक है? Let's start. We welcome you to school today, school today, school today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today, here today, here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome, welcome to this new and beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. All right. Acha, bachcho, now. Okay, why you are not? Many of you are not wearing the uniform in the class. I told you now, everyone, that you should wear the uniform and sit in the class. Why? As I can see, many of you are not wearing uniform yet. So you have to wear the uniform. Ask your mama. Okay? Chalo, all right. Now we'll sing God's Love together. Let's start. And everyone have to sing. I'm noticing each and everyone what you are doing, you are listening or not. Okay? Start. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. So high, we can't get over it. So high, we can't get over it. So deep, we can't get under it. So deep, we can't get under it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. Okay, bachcho. Chalo, now everyone stand up for the national anthem. And how you have to stand? You have to stand straight. Stand straight. Okay. So, bachcho, as we are singing, as we are going to sing national anthem, so you all know we have to stand straight during national anthem in order to give it respect. Okay? So attention, thumbs inside, fingers on the top, and hands by your side. Now no one is going to move. Attention, everyone. Start. जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद. Okay, all right. Okay, bachcho, let's do some warm-up exercises today. Come on, stand up. Let's do some warm-up exercises today. Stand up, everyone, and let's do some warm-up exercises today. Stand up. How many times I have to told everyone? Stand up. Gravel, you are not included in the class. आप एक क्लास में नहीं हो ग्रेविल खड़े हो जाइए. All right. So first of all, you stretch your arms and clap. Stretch करने हैं अच्छी तरह से and clap. Stretch, clap. Stretch, clap. Clap. Yes. Now, raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet without bending your knees. Come on. Again. आपको जब तक बैंड रहना है जब तक मैम आपको उठने को ना कहें, ठीक है? Again, raise your hands higher, higher, and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet without bending the knees. Come on, again. Raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. All right. Now, kids, show your thumbs. Keep it on the shoulder. Now we have to move our hands in forward direction. Forward, forward. Rakshansh, slowly, slowly, slowly. Now backward, अब opposite direction में पीछे की तरफ करेंगे. Backward, backward. Gravel, I'm looking at you that you are not doing anything. Very good. Anev, you also do. Why I have to ask everyone? Chalo. All right. Now, bachcho, raise your left hand. Left. This is your left hand. This one. This one is your left. Yes, this is your left hand. Keep it on the shoulder. Keep it on your waist. आपकी waist पे रखिए. And we have to bend like this. ठीक है? फिर जब मैम change करें तो आपको change करना है. Now change. Bend here. Keep one hand on your waist. Now change. Bend. Come on. Again. Now change. All right. Now the last one is balancing. Fold your one leg and try to balance yourself. Come on. Fold your one leg and try to balance. Try to balance. Come on. Very good. You can do it. Try karo. Try. Very nice. Try. Come on. Slowly, slowly हाथ ऊपर लाओ. Come on. Try to balance. Try to balance. Very nice. Very good. Gaurav, what you are doing, Gaurav? Okay. All right, bachcho. Sit down. Sit down. Sit. Okay. So kids, now let's talk about the day and the date first, then we'll move further. So kids, today the date is 26 November 2021. I told you, that which month is going on? November month is going on. And it is about to get finished in 3-4 days. Okay, November is going on and it is about to get finished in 4 days. As today is 26 November 2021. What is the date today? 26 November 2021. And the day is Friday. Yesterday was Thursday. Kal Thursday tha. So what comes after Thursday? Friday. What comes after Thursday? Friday. Okay. Now, kids, how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days, isn't it? So daily we revise it after writing it, है ना? चलो, come on. We'll read it and then we'll revise. Okay. So हमें क्या होगा? हमें spellings भी अच्छे से learn रहेंगी. चलो, let's start. Come on. Pay attention. M-O-N. Read. And I'm looking at each one of you. D-A-Y. Monday. Now, T-U-E-S. D-A-Y. Tuesday. After Tuesday, W-E-D. Come on, read it. W-E-D-N-E-S. D-A-Y. Wednesday. After Wednesday, what comes after Wednesday? Thursday. T-H-U-R-S. D-A-Y, Thursday. Then after Thursday, Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. Then after Friday, Saturday. S-A-T, Sat-R, Saturday, D-A-Y, day. And Sunday, S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. Okay, chalo, come on. We'll say it together one more time. Start. M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Come on, say Gravel, what you are doing. Gravel, speak. T-U-E-S, Tues, D-A-Y, Tuesday. Then W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. Next, T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. Then F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. Bachos, come on, say. This is good for you only. Read it. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, day. Saturday. And S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. Okay, and Sunday is the fun day. It's a holiday because, hai na? It's a fun day. Yes, all right, chalo. Yes, so kids, today is Sarthak's birthday. So let's sing birthday song for him. Okay, come on, let's start. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sarthak. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you, dear Sarthak. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sarthak. May God always bless you, beta. Okay, so Sarthak, सब आपके फ्रेंड्स ने आपके लिए सॉन्ग पढ़ा तो tell them thanks. Okay, so unmute yourself, Sarthak. Sarthak, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, bache. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Say thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Okay, beta. May God always bless you. Chalo. Now, bacho,
ma'am.
one thing we left. Who is the writer of national anthem? Who has written the national anthem? Rabindranath Tagore. Okay. What is the name of our country? हमारी country का क्या नाम है? हमारे देश का क्या नाम है? India. In which country we live? India. In India, we lives in India. Okay. So who is the Prime Minister of India? Who is the Prime Minister of India? Mr. Narendra Modi. Mr. Narendra Modi. जिस तरह से इंडिया में है उस तरह से हर कंट्री के अपने अपने लीडर्स होते हैं. ठीक है. So India में president and prime minister are there. So who is our prime minister? Mr. Narendra Modi. Okay. If voice is not coming, kindly check from your side. There is no problem from my side. All right, Ikra. All right, bacho, chalo, let's start the class. So first of all, today we are going to do our GK work. So come on, get your GK copy. So if you remember, earlier we had discussed about the animals and their sounds. We had discussed about the animals and their sound. The animals, so we all know, hai na? There are three kinds of animals: domestic, wild, and water animals, isn't it? Domestic animals are the animals जिनको हम पाल सकते हैं या जो हमारे अर्निंग के काम आते हैं. फिर डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स में पेट एनिमल्स एंड फार्म एनिमल्स आते हैं. ऑलराइट, तो डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स, वाइल्ड एनिमल्स मतलब जंगली जानवर जो जंगल में रहते हैं, and water animals are the animals which lives in water. So this thing we had learned earlier. So today we are going to write the sounds made by the animals, some of the animals. Okay, we can't cover most of the animals, so today we have to write only few animals and their sounds. This also we had discussed earlier in our class, if you remember that. So today we are going to write it. Come on, get your GK copy. And what's the date today? I told you today is 26/11/2021. 11 month is November. So November is going on. That's why we had written 11 here in the date, on the date instead of November. So first of all, write down the date 26/11/2021, and then write down the heading if you have not written. Yes, Rakshansh, go. Acha, in our general knowledge copy, GK copy, we had written 6 names of wild animals, 6 names of domestic animals. So today we are going to write down, okay, what sound they make. Domestic animals, wild animals, वो क्या sound निकालते, that we are going to write today. So there are many animals are there, but we are writing only sound of few animals out of them. ठीक है? चलो. So write down the heading. Write sounds of animals. Just a minute, I'm writing down the heading again. It's not visible, I think, on the screen. Write sounds of animals. Okay. Sounds of animals, we have to write. Yes, Paki, you also can go. But come fast. अच्छा. Now, I think अब मुझे आपको कहने की जरूरत नहीं है, and I don't have to say you again and again that first of all we have to read it and then write. Do not rush for writing. जल्दी लिखने से कुछ नहीं होना है ना? हमें उसे read करना है. We have to learn it, read it, and then write it. So first of all, we'll read it and then you have to write it in your copy. Written the heading. Shall we start? All right, chalo, come on. Write down. The first one is cat. Cat. So I think you all know what the sound, what is the sound made by the cat? Cat, C-A-T, cat. And what sound does cat makes? What sound does cat make? Meow. है ना? Cat क्या sound निकालती? Meows. So write down. M-E-O-W-S. Meows. What is the sound made by cat? Meow. M-E-O-W-S. C-A-T, cat, you have to write. And what is the sound made by the cat? Meows. M-E-O-W-S. Now, number 2. Number 2 is the king of jungle. Number 2 is the king of jungle. Who is the king of jungle? Lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. The spellings you all know, the animals spelling, because we had written in the GK copy earlier. Okay? L-I-O-N. Lion. Okay. So the sound made by lion is roar. The sound made by lion is roar. What we can say it? Roar. Lion roars. ठीक है? Roars. R-O-A-R-S. Roars. R-O-A-R-S. Roars. Lion roars. Cat meows. Lion roars. R-O-A-R-S. Roars. Read and write. Read and write. Come on, read it and write it. Number 3. Number 3 is dog. D-O-G. Dog. So the sound made by dog is bark. Bark. ठीक है? What is the sound made by dog? Barks. B-A-R-K-S. Barks. Bark. The sound made by dog is bark. Bark. The sound made by dog is bark. Cat meows, lion roars, dog barks. Next. Number 4. Number 4 is monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Come on. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. So the sound made by monkey is chatter. C-H-A-T-T-E-R-S. Chatters. What is the sound made by monkey? Chatters. We call the sound made by monkey, we call it chatter. Monkey chatters. Come on, read. C-H-A-T-T-E-R-S. Chatters. Monkey chatters. C-H-A-T-T-E-R-S. Chatters. Monkey chatters. Cat mews, lion roars, dog barks, monkey chatters. Okay, written? Now, number 5th. Read and write. Number 5th is sheep. S S-H-E-E-P, sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. So the sound made by sheep is known as bleats. The sound made by sheep is known as bleats. B-L-E-A-T-S, bleats. B-L-E-A-T-S, bleats. Sheep bleats. Sheep bleats. B-L-E-A-T-S, bleats. B-L-E-A-T-S, bleats. Jasdeep, cover your mouth. All right. Come on. We'll revise it again. Come on, everyone, pay attention. The first one is C-A-T, cat. So the sound made by cat is mews. M-E-O-W-S, mews, जिसे हम मियाऊ कहते हैं हिंदी में. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, लायन, L-I-O-N, lion, L-I-O-N, lion. So the sound made by lion is roars. Roars. R-O-A-R-S, roars. Then next one, dog, D-O-G, dog. So the sound made by dog is bark. B-A-R-K-S, barks. Dog barks. B-A-R-K-S, barks. B-A-R-K-S, barks. Next, monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Monkey chatters. C-H-A-T-T-E-R-S, chatters. Okay. Yes, one is remaining. Now, number 6. And fifth one is sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. The sound made by sheep is bleats. B-L-E-A-T-S, bleats. Okay. Now, as I don't have a space here, so can I erase the first one, first and second? Sure. Now, the last one is duck. D-U-C-K. So you all know the sound made by duck. Duck quacks. Duck quacks. Q-U-A-C-K-S, quacks. Duck quacks. Q-A-C-K-S, quacks. Duck quacks. Dog barks. Monkey chatters. Sheep bleats. And duck quacks. D-U-C-K, duck. What is the sound made by duck? Quacks. Q-U-A-C-K-S, quacks. Okay? Duck quacks.